Hello, amazing viewers. Welcome to MathsWonder. I'm truly grateful that you found your way to my video. I'm an international online maths tutor with over 17 years of experience and more than 13,000 hours of teaching students from grades 4 to 8 across the USA, Canada, Australia, and India. My passion is to make maths simple and enjoyable for everyone. In my videos, I cover each topic from the basics to advanced levels, breaking them down into easy-to-understand steps. I promise that by the end of this video, many of your doubts about this topic will be cleared. So I invite you to stay tuned, watch till the end, and embark on this wonderful journey of learning maths together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insightful lessons. Thank you for being here. Stay curious, keep learning, and let's make maths wonderful.
So today's topic is comparison of rational numbers. Okay. So comparison of rational number. The first property is every positive rational number is greater than 0. Every positive rational number is greater than 0. For example, rational number we have negative and we have positive, right? But only positive number greater than 0. For example, 1 over 7. This is always be greater than 0, right? Suppose 0 and 2 over 11. So 2 over 11 is a positive rational number. We did it in the last class. What are the negative rational number and what are the positive rational number? So according to that concept, 8 is greater than 0 because 8 is positive rational number. When 8 is converting into the fraction or rational number, you will put it 1. It's a rational number, like positive rational number. So this will be a greater than 1. So this is the first property. The second property is every negative number. See, every positive rational number is greater than 0, but every negative rational number, what? Every negative rational number is less than 0. Yeah, that's correct. For example, suppose we have taken negative 2 over 3. This is negative and 0. So this is always be lesser than 0. Suppose 0 and other rational number negative 5 over 7. So which is lesser? Definitely negative 1 will be the lesser number. Like that. 0 and minus 2. Which one is lesser? Yes, of course, negative 1 is the lesser number. Understood? So every positive number greater than 0, but every negative number lesser than 0. This is the second property. Now, third property. Now, third property is every positive rational number is greater than every negative rational number. Okay? Every positive rational number is greater than every negative rational numbers. Negatives. How? See some examples. Suppose we have 4 over 5 and negative 2 over 3. Now you can see here in this example, one is positive rational number and one is negative. Definitely positive will be the greater than always. Suppose 1 and the other is negative 15 over 2. Now see, in both the numbers, both the rational number, positive will be the greater one. The next example, negative 5 and 7 over 8. See, one is negative, other is positive. So definitely positive is greater than the negative. Now the fourth property is, if two rational numbers have the same denominator, the rational number with the bigger numerator is bigger, as you know it, right? So the same thing we have done in the fractions. So if both the rational number, the same denominator, if we have the same denominator, so bigger numerator will be bigger. For example, 4 over 7 and negative 11 over 7. Now you have already learned the integers because both the denominators are same. So you will check 4 and negative 11. Now you know it, in the integers positive value always be greater than this one. The other example is, suppose negative 12 over 25 and the other rational number is negative 17 over 25. Now you can see in this example also, both the denominators are same. As you can see here, both the denominators are same. So now you will compare only the numerator part. So which numerator is greater? It's a negative 12 and negative 17. As you know it, in the integers, we have already learned. So smaller negative number always be greater. So the whole value will be greater than the other one. Okay? Yeah? So negative 12, if both the values are, see, in this example, one is positive, one is negative. Definitely positive value always be greater than the negative. But if both the values are negative, then you know it, smaller negative value always be greater than the positive one. The negative greater value. So this is the difference. Now the last property is, if we have, if two rational numbers have different numerator. Okay. Now I will explain with the new method. Write down the next property. Now the last property is, fifth property, if we have different denominator. Right, in the last property we have same denominator. Now we have different denominators and numerators. Then the method is, we have three methods. Okay, now I am explaining one by one. So suppose A and B, C and D, two different rational number is given. Okay, same A, B, C, D. we have three cases arises when we have different denominator and different numerator. Then we have three cases arises. First of all, you will do cross multiplication. So this is the method is cross multiplication. You will use what you will write it. You can write it cross product or cross multiplication method for finding this one. Okay. Do you know cross multiplication method?
Yeah.
We have done it in the fraction, remember? The cross product. Cross multiplication. How will you do that? This you will multiply with this and this you will multiply with this. So A you will multiply with D and B you will multiply with C. Okay. So when you multiply this and you will get the greater value. Suppose this you will be multiply and you will get this value greater. Suppose. So you can say that your AB is greater than the CD. Same, you will do the cross multiply here with this and this, A times D and B times C. So if you multiply these two and you will get B times C will be the greater, that means AB is smaller than C over D. The same thing when you do the cross multiply here, A times D and B times C, and you will see the result. Both the side is equal. That means A over B is equals to C over D. Means both the side rational numbers are equal. So the three cases arises: greater, lesser, and equal. So this and equal. Three cases you can see it in the questions. Now we'll understand the same thing with the examples. Okay. Now see, suppose your question is 3 over 5 and 4 over 7. Now see, both the numerators and both the denominators are different. Then what to do? You will do the cross multiplication. Yeah. So when you do the cross multiply, 3 times 7 and 5 times 4. Do the multiplication, it's 21 and this is 20. Which is greater? 21. That means this one is greater. Yeah? Easy?
Yeah.
Second is suppose negative 7. Now we are doing the rational number, so we will use negative 7 over 8 and the second is negative 3 over 4. Now you can see in this example we have different denominator with different numerators. The same process you will apply for the cross multiplication. Negative 7 times 4 and 8 times negative 3. Now do the normal multiplication.
It's 28 on this side, and, and on that side it's -24.
Negative 24. Now check which is greater. Definitely negative 24 will be the greater. So this will be the greater one. Got it?
Wait, but I have a question.
Yes.
So you know how you wrote -7 over 8, but shouldn't that represent the whole fraction as negative? So shouldn't the 4 and the 8 also be negative?
Yes, if both are negative, then you will be converting into positive first, or you can do it normally, then you will get the answer. But yes, if both are negative, first convert into the positive rational number and then apply the cross multiplication method. Okay? We'll do more questions based on this. Okay? So you will understand. Done. The last example is, suppose 3 over 10 and 12 over 40. 12 over 40. You will do the cross multiply. So 3 over 40 and 10 over 12.
They're both 120.
Yeah. So 120, that means equal. So this will all automatically equal. So this is the method to comparison of rational number. First is all the positive numbers is greater than 0. The second property is all the negative numbers is lesser than 0. The third property is all the positive rational number is greater than all the every negative rational numbers. And the fourth is, if denominators are same, you will compare only the numerator and then put the sign which is greater. And the last, fifth property is, if we have the different denominators and different numerators, then you can use this short method, cross multiplication method. And second method also we have it to find this the greater value with the help of making denominator same. So you can use that method also, but this is the quickest method, so I always advise use this method only. Okay?
Okay.